friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I'm going to give you a small information about how you can print from your mobile. For example, if you want to print your loan card or any share certificate or any of your customized print formats, how you can print them through your mobile. Okay. Now printing from mobile is as simple as printing from your computer. Okay. Now to print from your mobile, you have to ensure first step that you need to make sure is that your mobile is connected to your printer through Wi-Fi. Okay. Second, you have to print before you print anything from Jainam mobile app. Just try to print any web page from Chrome and see first through your mobile. If that works, then open your Jainam Software app. Okay, if you want to print a loan card, just search for any loan number, okay, or the loan number that you want the loan card printed for. Search for that loan number, click here on the print option, select the format you want to print and just click on print. Here you will see there's another print. You will be able to see the preview here. Once you can see the preview, just click on the print button and the print will work. So please ensure that the initial steps are followed before you try to print from your mobile using the Jainam Software mobile app. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.